Mulai ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 7, consisting of 4 people. I am Melinda as moderator with my 3 colleagues, Zakiyah Nurhaliza, Nyoman Arda Hendrawan, and Intan Naya Mazura. Here we will present the material for the 7th meeting, namely Introduction to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. First of all, here's the introduction. As websites have become essential for information, communication, and entertainment. Mastering the foundational technologies of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is key to building engaging and successful web experience. HTML provides the structure and content. CSS adds visual style, and JavaScript brings interactivity, allowing you to create a variety of websites and pave the way for a web development career. Next. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is a combination of the two terms hypertext and markup language. HTML language is the standard internet language and has been officially used and approved by the W3C and World Wide Web Consortium. Until now, the HTML language has released version 5 with the last update in December 2020. HTML v10 is the birth of HTML developments. This version makes it easier for scientists to access each other documents on different computers. HTML v20 is linking documents and presenting information in various formats or styles. HTML v30 has additional features with new facilities, names figures. HTML v40 has undergone many changes from the previous version. HTML v50 is a simplified syntax with minimal error effects. Next. Basic structure. Basic structure HTML. For the first, doctime declaration. Second, HTML tag. Third, head section. Fourth, body section. And 5, closing section. Nyoman will deliver the following.
Common HTML. 1. Headings title which bring levels of importance. One being the most prominent and six the last. Paragraphs block of the text is the origins and structural content, improving readability. P. Link hyperlink that allow users to navigate to other web pages or online records. Image visual elements emits with the web page using the series attribute to specific the image location and the alt attribute for alternative text description. Next. CSS. CSS, Sending Style Sheets, is a language that controls the visual presence of web pages within HTML or other markup language. CSS formalized in 1999 1996 by the WTC has wrote in Hakon Windows Blitz on 1995. Proposal for casting HTML still sets GISS original image at reducing browser speaks text, Netspace, and Internet Explorer. CSS level 1 offers control over font color, text background, and layout. Since the CSS has evolved throughout level 1 involves print formatting to level 3, adding color and 3D animation capabilities. Next, type of selector. Number 1, element selector. Example P color blue. Deskripsi selects all P elements paragraph on the page and gives text other color. Number 1 in section by class selector yaitu black gray description cell and element with the ID header attribute and gives it a gray background color. Number 3 ID selector, example info font size 1px description selects an elements that have the class info attribute and sets the font size to 1px. Number 5 des then selector. Example pay price line, font width bar, description selects the price line in each element and gives the datable style. Number 5 combinators. Input type text with description selects all input element with the type text attribute and gives them a width of
Next will be the present by Zakia. First is font properties to control font family type, width, color, and style. Second is background properties to define background color, image position, and size. Third is text properties, style, text alignment, decoration, indentation, and transformation. Fourth is box model properties to control padding, margin, border style, width, and height of elements. Next is layout properties to define positioning, display type, and floating behavior of elements. Many more. There are numerous other properties for animation, transition, and visual effect, and more. Next. Next is JavaScript. JavaScript is a versatile scripting language that breathes life into web page. Unlike HTML and CSS that focus on structure and design, JavaScript adds interactivity, updates content, validates data, and performs calculations. Invented in 1995 by Brendan H., is now the world's most popular programming language and with frameworks like React and Angular. It empowers developers to build complex web applications and even mobile apps. Next. Structure basic JavaScript.
One is script tag. Script tag is code. Code is written within script tags placed in either in the head or body section of your HTML document. Second is variable declaration. Variables store data using keyword like var, variable let, or constanta. You assign values like var name. Third is function. Function reusable blocks defined with function name, parameter. Function can accept input parameter and produce output. Fourth is conditional statement. Conditional statement control program flow using if statement. Five is loops. Loops repetitive tasks are handled with loops like for or while. Codes run repeatedly until a condition is no longer met. Six is event handling. Event handling responds to user interaction with an event listener. For example, clicking a button can trigger specific code execution. And last is output or log. Output or log debug or debug or display information using console.log. This is function prints message to the browser developer console.
For the last, will be conveyed by intent.
Okay. Next, object and functions. Object in JavaScript is a collection of data and function organized in a single entity. Data is stored in the form of key value, pairs, properties, and function methods are used to perform operation on the data. For example, a user object can have properties such as name, email, and methods such as login and logout. Functions are blocks of code designed to perform a specific task. Function can accept input arguments and produce output return value. They can be stored in variables, passed as argument, or returned from other functions. JavaScript functions are free class, meaning they can be treated like regular data. Objects are used to model data and functions are used to manipulate data and perform various tasks. Next, integration HTML, CSS, and JS. The web development world relies on their key technologies working together: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML creates the foundation, structure, and content, like a website skeleton. CSS adds the visual appeal, layout, fonts, color, like the website skin. Finally, JavaScript brings the website to life, interactivity, like the mouse class, allowing users to engage through clicks, prompts, and dynamic content. By mastering these essential three, you can build informative, visual, attractive, and interactive websites, opening doors to exciting web development careers. The following are some examples for how these technologies are integrated. Number one, using CSS to style HTML elements. CSS can be used to change the color, font, size, and other properties of HTML elements. For example, you could use CSS to make the heading on your website red and 24 px and size. Number two, using JavaScript to add interactivity to HTML elements. JavaScript can be used to add event listener to HTML elements. For example, you could use JavaScript to add a click event listener to a button that displays a message when clicked. Next, consolidation. This explore the essential trio of web development: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML lays the groundwork by defining a web page structure and content. CSS takes care of the visual presentation like layout and styling. JavaScript breathes life into the website with interactivity, allowing for features like prompt validation and dynamic content updates. By mastering these complementary technologies, you can build a professional-looking website with a seamless user experiences, opening door to web development career.
Okay, that's all we can say. Hopefully, it can be understood and can help. More or less, we apologize. We will end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.